The NB Network with Dee Sparta.
Hi, everybody. It's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. Today, well, I am going to do an unboxing of BoxyCharm Premium. I haven't got my BoxyLux yet. It's supposed to come later this week. I think this is going to be my last month of premium. I have not been super impressed. Just, I don't know. It seems like you spent $35 and I'm not getting items that I feel are more premium than what I'd get in my base. And I have been enjoying the base box a lot more. And that one's only $25. And I've already prepaid for the Boxy base and Lux for the rest of this year. So I am going to continue with, the Lux and Premium, but not, Lux and base, and not do their premium for the rest of the year. I just, I want to save the money. I want to be able to do something better for my kids for Christmas and their birthday. Their birthdays are in December, 18th and the 22nd. So I'm just going to cut down on things. And yeah, if I'm not real impressed, and I haven't been, that's what I'm going to be real legit with that. So without further ado, we are going to open up the Boxy. All right, so this month, we actually got a card with it. Makes things so much easier on me. I don't have to research so much. But here's the premium. It's the regular standard slate blue. It's really a big box. It's kind of weighted, so I'm curious to see what's in here. My cat is on my feet. Come here. Pouncer, do you want to say hello? This is my big Maine Coon. This is my bouncer. He's my buddy. Oh, he is purring, so he's so cute. He's like trying to get attention. All right, so the first thing I see in here, look at this. This is what it looks like. Is a glowing vacation skin inside this bag. It is a coconut coffee scrub exfoliating for smooth glowing skin. It's pretty heavy. I think this is what made the box so heavy. There's a lot in here, and this retails for $18.95. It's from Frank Body Glam Vibes. You want vacation glowing skin right this way, babe. A natural vegan body scrub here to give you vacation glowy skin all year round with a blend of coffee and essential oils. I'll work my magic on stretch marks, scars, and dry skin to leave you as free as a palm tree. Exfoliate, smooths, and tones for real and imaginary vacations made with roasted coffee grinds, grapeseed oil, and jojoba beans. I've gotten coffee scrubs before, and it's a little different, but I'm going to try this one. I've tried others. I'll see. I'm not quite sure if I've noticed much difference. I do like. All right, here we go to the next product. This is Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. I have a lot of overnight treatment facial products. And so, I do, but really more actively using them and doing more for my skincare. I used to, when I was young in college, I did a whole lot of care of my skin a lot better than I did for a few years there. Because I don't know, I went through a really dark time in my life. It was really hard. I was being abused and just felt really broken, But I used Clinique all the time, and so now I'm trying to get to know what's out there and what's good and what's different. Now this is what the facial oil looks like. I like this. The packaging on this is a little different than other facial oils, the way the bottle's shaped. And I don't know, it just feels more luxe and looks more luxe. I don't know. Let's see. This Brilliance facial oil, let me smell it. Interesting. There is a It reminds me almost of a perfume my mom used to always wear. Chantilly lace, was it? Chantilly? Yeah. This facial oil is $55, hydrating and lightweight with Brilliance facial oil from Emma Hardy. Massages deep into the skin so you can achieve a natural looking glow. Multi-active, this formula is crafted with potent essential oils that soothe and purify skin. With camellian oils, offers antioxidant protection from free radical damage. So yeah, I'm gonna try it. I definitely am gonna try it. 55. These things are so expensive. I'm like blown. You know, I think the only way I would try and see if I want some of these fish products is if I get them in these boxes. So there's that. Now, also in here, Fat Glow Facial. This is all about glowing skin. This is like they're doing everything to make you glow. You gotta glow, baby. Ah, that's what Nikki Tutorials, the glow babies. Sorry, being silly. Just got a notification that the person is going to start shopping for me from Instacart. All right, this is what the bottle looks like. It's kind of got this matte feeling to it. I like that. Oh, look at this pump. Had to unlock it. Oh, wow. This is what it looks like. It is, I mean, this is goopy. I feel like, and wow, it does glow, but I don't know if I like the feeling on my skin. It's so thick and goopy. What? This, get flawless skin in a flash with PHAs, the no downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredient in Olay's first one-step at-home facial. What makes PFAs so special? I don't know. They're fat. Literally, like PHAs deliver skin perfecting age-fighting results, but PHAs are just a little plumper. They're a bigger molecule, so they don't go as deep as they loosen up the glue that binds the surface layer of skin together and reveal a newer, fresher skin underneath. That means less irritation and recovery time for everyone, even sensitive types. And this is also this is $50. Now I gotta try and wash all this. I'm not a big fan of the scent. Really, I'm not. And it's good. It is like thick, syrupy. Apply an even layer to clean, dry face. Massage until it transforms from pink to white. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Remove with a damp washcloth. Use 2 times per week, day and night. Can be used before makeup application for external use only. I'm going to try it, okay? It feels absolutely disgusting. Sometimes, who knows? Something like this actually could be good for you. Sometimes, you know, you just have to bite the bullet and try it. So I'll try. With my hypothyroidism, my skin gets uneven coloring and tone. So I try and use makeup to hide a lot of the like orange line that I would get across my face. And that's not makeup. That's from hypothyroidism. So yeah. So let's see what else we got in here. And I got from Marc Jacobs, Enamored. This is a high shine lip lacquer. It's $29. This is supposed to be a breakthrough triple shine complex and high performance polymers that transform color pigments into a hydrating gloss. And this is called Sugar High. Sugar High. Sugar High. Oh, that's the seal there. Remember, I'm blind. So, yeah, they got to be careful. Open this up. Now, I've got some, also for my Boxy add-ons, some Marc Jacobs other makeup, like eyeshadow palettes. And one of my palettes came absolutely broken, shattered. I'll post a picture so you can see. I was showing my friend Marissa, who also has a YouTube channel. I'll put it right here so you can see it. She was like shocked as I was. This, though, because I really want to try Marc Jacobs products. This reminds me, the smell reminds me of something. Let's see. It is a very pigmented, thick gloss. This is definitely pigmented. I do like getting a pigmented gloss. I also like the clear glosses. You know, I like to mix things up. The color is pretty nice. I think it'll look good on me. The smell, though, I'm trying to figure out what product is in it that's causing the smell. It's okay. I know what the smell is. You know those mints that you get at weddings, the little mints. I'll put a picture here. And they kind of melt in your mouth. I think you can get these also. You can get other kinds from Hickory Farms. Smells like it. That's what it is. I was trying. I was like, what is this smell? It's making me hungry, yet it's an odd smell, you know? But it was triggering memory. Now, this other thing in here is an ice roller. I have different face rollers. I have got, you know, the crystal ones. I've got the face vibrator massager. Those are really nice. I have to admit, it is really good for my face and my jaw. And when I have headaches, it's like I put it back over here and I'm just like, oh. But this is an ice roller. I guess you're supposed to get this icy cold and you're supposed to, oh, that does feel very refreshing on the face. Okay, I was thinking this was going to be really lame, but feeling it on my skin, it's nice. And if you make it, it's cold right now. It's cold already. So yeah, let's see here. This ice roller is just $18. This ice roller is your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. It keeps calm inflammation, increased blood circulation, and alleviates sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for the best results. And I will tell you right now, I was fighting a huge migraine again last night. Oh my God. The tension in my face from them. And then this just feels so good on it. Oh my gosh, yeah. Okay, I gotta stop, but I think I found something I really like. Okay. Last but not least is the eyeshadow palette, The Queen. A Queen Lies in All of Us from Eloise. Okay, let's see. Wow, these are very radiant and vibrant colors, people. Look at that. I will take the time and swatch this and put up the swatches. I'm going to test a couple while we're here live to see what they feel like. This is a matte, and that is a shimmer. And they don't feel extraordinarily great. Like sometimes, you know, some are just, you could just feel the creamy, the soft, gentle bluntness. I'm not feeling that, but it doesn't feel bad. Like it's just loose and crappy. You know what I'm saying, right? You get it. So I think this is kind of like middle range. But we'll see, because, you know, I just chose two colors there, and we'll post the swatches. It seems to swatch okay. Let's see here. This eyeshadow palette sells for $46. Now, I did get a lot of very pricey items in this premium box. And this, you know, I was saying I haven't been getting stuff that it was worth my while. Do I think I needed all this stuff? No. The ice roller I am very happy to have, but that was only $18. The other products are really nice, very luxury, and I do appreciate being able to try them, but I don't need it. So yeah, I think I'm getting rid of definitely of premium. This didn't just like wow me, this box, but it is a good deal. Okay, so if this, I maybe change up, like I'm changing up Ipsy. I'm not getting it every month now because I just don't need it, and I'm just wanting to hold off. So I'm skipping Ipsy for a few months, just trying to keep things from being overwhelming. Plus, I'm working on my new channel, and I've got the microphones and everything set up, and for doing voiceovers for the meditations. So yeah, I gotta work on that. So I'm just gonna be cutting down a little bit. Now I do some unboxings on my other channel. The unboxings of Tamed Wild will be on that. Goddess Provisions is already over there, and so is Spooky Box Club. So if you want to see those boxes and unboxings, go to the Mindful Oracle, Dee the Mindful Oracle. The link is down below. Please subscribe to that channel. I really think you'll like it. Anyway, this has been fun. It's been nice just sitting here talking to you and catching up. Let me know if you got a Boxy Premium and what you thought of it, or if you're curious about signing up for the premium. I mean, there were a few good boxes this year, and the Fenty products were nice. I liked getting that. I liked the Manny MUA palette, Drag Life. Is that something like? Yeah, it's the drag queen palette of his. It's beautiful. So, there's sometimes you get something that's just like, wow, that's great. But other times it's like, was the Manny palette in the premium? I thought it was. I'll double check. And if it's not, I will put a note here. Anyway, everybody, just keep going. Fall is cut here. I love fall season. I'm going to be changing up decorations in here, more of a fall-y theme and spooky theme. I've got Halloween decorations. I even have handmade Halloween decorations because I love to craft and paint. I'll be putting those up for you to see. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video, comment down below. Let me know how you're doing. And please remember, be kind to yourself, be patient with yourself, be kind and patient with others. And I'll see you next time here on the MB Network. Bye.